Buongiorno a tutti e benvenuti nella mia cucina. Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen. And in today's video, we are going to be making a traditional Italian plate, gnocchi. My family has been making gnocchi ever since I can remember. It always brought us together, from picking just the right potatoes to making different shapes or designs to the final presentation. My nonna taught me how to make gnocchi, and it's always been a fun family activity. The tradition has been passed down from generations, and without a doubt, it brings everybody together, whether in the making or in the eating. And now I am delighted to share this wonderful and delicious tradition with you. Legend has it that a missionary arrived in a small town in Italy on the 29th of an unknown month. An elderly peasant couple let him into their house. After a long day spent working on the potato fields, they offered him the only thing they had on the table, gnocchi. Once the missionary left, the peasants found gold coins under their gnocchi plates, probably as a reward for their benevolence. Since then, on the 29th of any month became Gnocchi Day, symbolizing prosperity and good luck. When you're ready to cook, don't forget to wash your hands first. In a Dutch oven pot full of water, add 1 kilogram of potatoes and bring it to a boil. And for a better boil, we need to add a small handful of sea salt to the water. The traditional meals in my family are countless. We have piatti speciali for every occasion, season, holiday, you name it. And for every one of them, there's always a lot of commotion. In fact, there's a lot of discussion about the ingredient selection and how to serve it. And everybody knows a better way. It's not only getting the perfect ingredients, but it's also having each family member's inputs. So you can just imagine the fun and the excitement that goes behind the preparation of just one meal. The water's boiling. Let me check if they're ready. The potatoes are cooked, and now I need to cut them in half and peel them. In order not to burn yourself, use a fork and a knife to peel. Now you take the potato masher and start mashing our potatoes. Once your potatoes are mashed, shape them like a fountain. Pour in 1 whole egg and 1 yolk. Now, let's add a little pinch of salt. Let's start mixing the eggs. Now, we mix in the potatoes while adding a little bit of all-purpose flour. While a pot of water is set to boil on the stove, I am going to start shaping and cutting my gnocchi. In my family, gnocchi are traditionally served with burro e salvia, butter and sage. And now the butter is going to melt with the aroma of the fresh sage. Voila! The water is boiling. Now it's time to put your gnocchi in the boiling water. The fun part is that when they're ready, they just pop up to the surface and you can easily pick them up. When making your burro e salvia, you need to make sure that you have a low flame so it doesn't fry. And once all the butter is melted, you can start dressing your gnocchi.
Questo profumo è indimenticabile.
Final touch is to add freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Assaggiamo. Buon appetito! Questo è il paradiso. Arrivederci! E viva l'Italia!